What's up everybody, RB here, and today we are using Filmora 13's new logo reveal feature. Now, that adds a really nice little introduction to your logo reveal for your YouTube channel or your business page. Let's check it out.
Alright guys, our first step under media is the influencer kit, and then our brand transmission logo reveal. So here's this little selection of what's available at the moment. And there is all different types of logo reveals. So there's your basic ones, there's sort of ones that sort of slide in, there's some glowing ones. I've had my eye on the one just down at the bottom of the screen here. So it kind of like jumps in, and then there's a nice little glowing letters. So we're going to add our logo. I'm just going to use a picture that I got earlier. So my cool little dog with the little magnifying glass there. And then I'm going to add my text. So this is where you'd add in your business or your YouTube name. Okay, and there it is. It just adds that to your timeline and also in your project media. See, as simple as that. It's a nice little glowing letters. It sort of sways to and fro, and that picture comes in really nicely. So, without further ado, let's check out what I did with it.
Yep, that's the dog. Nah. Yeah, that's one. Ooh, I mean, nah, not one of them. And that's a wrap guys, thank you for checking out my channel, and feel free to have a look at Filmora 13's new logo reveal feature. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, I'll catch you next time.